You got both those things right, Manny. We will see that wildfire smoke taking over, especially tomorrow. But for today, just like you mentioned, sunshine is on tap after all the activity this morning has moved out. That was thanks to this cold front. You could see that long line of thunderstorms moving to the east away from our area. We've already had some sunshine for the last few hours, but because of the passage of that front, we're also left with some breezy conditions. Winds as of right now gusting up to about 25 miles an hour. That's through Monroe, Freeport, about 24 miles an hour in Rochelle. We may reach up to about the 30-mile-an-hour mark. That's not until your afternoon. So in the next few hours, the winds may increase just a touch as we do see them slowly dying down. That's going to be mainly after about the 4 o'clock hour as things begin to settle throughout your evening. Otherwise, we do stay dry for today. The cloud cover is exited, sunshine's taking over, as will some of those breezy conditions. Temperatures, though, to climb into the mid-70s, so gonna stay comfortable today, just a little breezy. Winds will slowly start to settle into tonight as we fall into the mid-50s, so a little cooler overnight, but mostly clear. That also is going to allow some potential fog to develop. May end up waking up to some patchy fog early in the morning. Along with that, Friday is also going to bring in some wildfire smoke. Already seeing those air quality alerts for most of Wisconsin, if not the entire state. May see that into northern Illinois, but at least for Wisconsin, it doesn't expire until 6 a.m. Monday. That wildfire smoke may end up impacting air quality, especially into tomorrow. So for today, we're not going to see a whole lot, but take a look at that smoke. You'll see it drop down towards northern Illinois, even some thicker plumes coming into your Friday evening. Here's about 8 o'clock. Expect some impacts to your air quality, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening. Slowly starts to move out, but we'll still see those impacts through parts of your weekend. And then comes in the heat. We're talking low 90s, dew points in the 70s, meaning it'll feel like we're in the triple digits. Sunday is likely to be one of the most oppressive days out of all of them, considering that heat wave coming in. We're still in the 90s, though, through Monday and Tuesday. So make sure you are taking many breaks if you are going to be outside, especially onto the weekend. If you work outside, drink plenty of water and stay hydrated with that heat coming in. Luckily, we still have a few comfortable days to enjoy, and do so if you're not a fan of the heat, but if you're maybe like Manny, you're going to enjoy these next couple of days. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we do end up dropping out of the 90s back into the 80s sometime next week. Really going to be in for a hot week as we get closer to really the end of August, Manny.